Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today, the influential person in Christian history whom you probably have never heard of is Pope Leo I, known as Pope Leo the Great. He was Pope during the 5th century. There are two things for which Pope Leo the Great is known primarily. First of all, he wrote a work of theology that was quite influential and that led to the calling of the Council of Chalcedon, which he oversaw, in which the understanding of Christ that we have now was formalized. The belief that Jesus is one person with two natures, human nature and divine nature. The second part of Leo's legacy that I'd like to focus on is probably less important, but probably more interesting. It involves Attila the Hun. So Attila the Hun had attacked Italy in the year 451. He had been successful in his attacks, and he was prepared to attack Rome in the year 452. So a delegation led by Leo, who was accompanied by two others, went out and confronted Attila. And after their meeting, Attila actually backed down and did not attack Rome. Now, through history, Leo's been given credit for having talked Attila out of attacking Rome. It turns out that modern historians have noted other possible factors, such as a plague in Rome, such as the fact that Attila's troops were already carrying a lot of riches and wealth with them that they had gotten from other places. Nevertheless, Attila did not attack Rome, and Leo was part of the delegation that convinced him not to. And so for that, we are grateful to St. Leo the Great. Thanks once again for watching.